so that animals may not eat them. Now we are about to review unit number 5, matter and its states. So what is matter, students? Anything that has weight and takes up space is called matter. It has 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. That solid has fixed shape and volume. Liquid, no fixed shape but fixed volume. And gas, either not having no fixed shape and no fixed volume. They can move freely in all the direction. Yes, matter can change its state. Substances remain solid, liquid, or gas at a certain temperature. If they are heated or cooled, they can change form. How a change of state occurs? Heating makes the particles in a substance move faster and knock each other further apart. As they begin to move around freely, a change of state occurs. They have 5 things very important in change of states of matter, that is melting, freezing, boiling, evaporation and condensation. Mixtures. As you know now, a mixture contains more than one substance. It is not a pure substance, a mixture of sugar and water. For example, mixture of ice cream. Mixture of ice cream may contain sugar, water, and cream. We have 4 kinds of a mixture, that is solution, suspension, emulsion, and an alloy. As you can see, solution, when we have a clear mixture of solid completely dissolved in a solvent. A suspension is like that the solid does not ability to dissolve in the water, and when we mix 2 liquids together and they will not mix properly, they are immiscible to each other, that is emulsion. And when we are making 2 metals mixed together, so that is an alloy. Method of separating mixtures. So student, first method is filtration method. A mixture of sand and water can be separated by filtering it through a filter paper. Water will pass through the filter paper, but sand will be left on it. Evaporation method. A mixture of salt and seawater can be separated by evaporation of water. On heating the water, water will evaporate and salt will be left behind. Stirring with magnet. A mixture of sand and iron filings can be separated by stirring a mixture with a magnet. As you can see, when we are mixing the sand and iron filings together, as iron filings are the magnetic material, so when we stirring over the magnet to the mixture of sand and iron filings, you found that the iron filings sticking to the magnet because it's a magnetic material. So that way that we can separate sand and iron filing mixtures by adding water and adding colors. So the mixture of colored substances in black ink can be separated by adding water. As you can see that if we have a paper and we are just putting any color of marker, especially the black colors, because black colors is a mixture of many colors. So if we are just putting that paper onto the water, so you found it after some time with the ink, it starts spreading and showing you the different colors which is mixed with that, making that color. So even you can use the tissue paper for doing this experiment at home. By decantation, an insoluble solid can be separated from liquid by pouring off the clear liquid from the top of the mixture. This process is called decantation. As you can see that it is decanted after sedimentation. So what is the sedimentation? If we are just dissolving, try to dissolve sand into water. After some time, you see that all the sands comes down and water will be separated. So that is the process, that is the method called sedimentation. After sedimentation, we are just pouring off the clear liquid from the top of the mixture. That process is called decantation. So we are about to review question number 8. Match the following columns. It was your notebook work. I hope that everybody done and learn it also. Temperature at which liquid changes into solid is a freezing point. The temperature at which solid changes into liquid is a melting point. The temperature at which liquid boils is a boiling point. The change of state from liquid to gas is evaporation. And pine trees have needle-like leaves. Now, the next quiz is from the blanks. Complete the statement. Air is a mixture of many gases. Visiting contains sugar, flavoring water, and carbon dioxide gas. When sugar and when sugar dissolves in water, we cannot see it. The sugar in the solution is called solute. The surrounding of an animal or plant are called its environment. Tiny living things in the soil as bacteria and fungi are called decomposers. Animals that only eat other animals are called carnivores. Plants that grow in very hot places have thick, fleshy stems which can store water. So that will be all for today, students. Good luck for your assessment. Have a very nice and blessed day. Thank you, everyone. But don't forget to wash your hand after using the gadgets, and don't forget the mask when you are going outside. Allah Hafiz.